Floor Grip Medic live here in Gainesville, Florida. We just coated this, resurfaced and coated this pool deck here. This color is called Obispo, one of our more popular colors. Came out absolutely beautiful. 3-layered system, 15-year warranty. So beautiful, beautiful product. Comes in a multitude of colors. And again, I always tell folks that's how we handle the bull nose. You can see we actually coat it with our protective coating. And then same thing with the drains as well. We do coat them to protect them. But again, if you want a free quote, give us a call, 904-441-1400.